Happy day, children. Hope you are all happy and healthy. Today, we are going to see the next half of the session from Standard 5, Term 2, Unit 2, The Strength in His Weakness. Before going to this session, let us recall the last part. In the last part, we saw what are the good characters of Akilan, what was his passion, who was his admiration, which became his passion later, what happened to Akilan, which school was Akilan admitted, how many strokes did he practice, and for how many years did he practice, and Akilan reached the finals or not. What are the good characters of Akilan, children? Yes, Akilan is an active boy, he studies well, he plays well, and he obeys his parents. That is a very good habit each and everyone should have. And the next one is, what was his passion? His passion was sports. Who was his admiration? His admiration was his physical education teacher who was very good in playing judo. Which became his passion later? His passion grew towards judo. What happened to Akilan? Akilan met an accident, and in that accident, he lost his left hand. Which school was Akilan admitted? Akilan was admitted in a judo school. How many strokes did Akilan practice? Akilan practiced only a single stroke. And for how many years did he practice that single stroke? He practiced that single stroke consistently for 2 years. Was Akilan selected for the national level judo competition? Yes, Akilan was selected for the national level judo competition. Did he reach the finals, children? Yes, Akilan easily defeated all his 6 contenders and he reached the finals. Children, in this session, we are going to see whether Akilan was able to win the finals or not. Children, let me read the passage and you all listen to it. The final match began and it had a total of 6 rounds. The opponent was very strong and easily defeated Akilan in the first 2 rounds. The referee blew whistle then. Akilan's master rushed to him and said, "Believe in yourself. The key to success is to focus on your strength and not your weakness." Children, the final match began. Final match ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு and it had totally 6 rounds. எவ்வளோ rounds இருக்குன்னா it had 6 rounds. And Akilan's opponent was found very strong. நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்காரு. And he easily defeated Akilan in the first 2 rounds. First 2 roundsல Akilan வந்து அவனோட opponent வந்து ஈஸியா defeat பண்ணிட்டாரு. In these type of matches, short break கொடுப்பாங்க. அதுக்கான intimation என்னன்னா referee will be blowing the whistle. அதே மாதிரி இந்த மேட்ச்லயும் வந்து referee whistle ஊதுறாரு. And at that time, Akilan's master is rushing towards him. அவன்கிட்ட வேகமா ஓடுறாரு. போய் அகிலனை பார்த்து சொல்றாரு, "My dear Akilan, believe in yourself. உன்னைய நீயே நம்பு. The key to success is to focus on your strength." ஒருத்தவங்க ஜெயிக்கணும்னா அவங்களுடைய ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தை மட்டுமே அவங்க கவனமா இருக்கணும். Concentrate on your strength and not in your weakness. உன்னுடைய வீக்னஸை நீ கன்சிடரே பண்ணாத அப்படின்னு அவரோட மாஸ்டர் வந்து அகிலனுக்கு அங்க போய் அட்வைஸ் பண்றாரு. Rushing through him, he understood the hint his master gave him. He had to focus on his single stroke and not on the strength of his opponent. Bam, 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 bam. 4 strokes and 4 knockouts. Akilan had won the finals. He was the champion. Akilan felt new energy rushing through him. மாஸ்டர் வந்து அகிலன் கிட்ட சொன்ன அந்த ஹிண்ட் அகிலன் கேட்டதுக்கு அப்புறமா he felt like energized. அவனுக்கு ஒரு புது தெம்பு வந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. அவனோட மாஸ்டர் சொன்ன ஹிண்ட் அவனுக்கு அப்பதான் புரியுது. அவனோட மாஸ்டர் அவனுக்கு என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காரு? your strength is your single stroke. நீ அதுல கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணு. You should not consider your weakness. உன்னோட வீக்னஸா இருக்கிறது என்னது? Your opponent is very strong. நீ அதை கன்சிடர் பண்ணாத. your single stroke மேல மட்டும் நீ கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணு அப்படின்னு மாஸ்டர் சொன்ன ஹிண்ட் அகிலனுக்கு புரிஞ்சுது. புரிஞ்ச உடனே அகிலன் felt energized and he entered the third round. போறான், ஆப்பனண்ட்டை பார்க்கறான், பேம் 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 பேம், அவ்வளவுதான். 4 strokes, 4 அடி and 4 knockouts. knockoutsனா ஒரே அடியில ஆப்பனண்ட்டை கீழே வீழ்த்துறது தான் நாக் அவுட். 4 strokes and 4 knockouts கொடுத்தோன்னே அகிலன் ஜெயிச்சிட்டான். and now Akilan won the finals and he was the champion of the national judo level competition. See the picture, children. Akilan வந்து competitionல ஜெயிச்சு he is having the prize in his hand. Akilan thanked his master for training him and for believing in him. Akilan's curiosity took over and he asked, how did I win the competition with a single stroke? அகிலன் மாஸ்டர் கிட்ட போய் தேங்க் பண்றான். மாஸ்டர், நான் இந்த காம்படிஷனை ஜெயிச்சேன். இட்ஸ் ஒன்லி பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யூ. நீங்க எனக்கு கரெக்டான பிராக்டிஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க, அதனாலதான் என்னால ஜெயிக்க முடிஞ்சது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அகிலன் போய் மாஸ்டர் கிட்ட தேங்க் பண்றான். அண்ட் நாட் ஒன்லி தட், அவனுக்கே உள்ளுக்குள்ளார ஒரு சின்ன கியூரியாசிட்டினா ஆர்வம். அவனுக்கே உள்ளார ஒரு ஆர்வம் எழுது. எப்படி, என்ன அப்படின்னா, how did I win the competition with a single stroke? எல்லாருக்கும் நிறைய ஸ்ட்ரோக்ஸ் தெரியும், ஆனா எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரோக் தான். என்னால எப்படி அந்த ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரோக்கை மட்டும் வச்சுட்டு ஒரு நேஷனல் லெவல் காம்படிஷனை வின் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னு அகிலன் போய் மாஸ்டர் கிட்ட கேக்குறான். Dear, you learned the most difficult stroke in judo that very few can master. If your opponent wants to beat you, they should hold your left hand. This is the secret behind your victory. அகிலன்ஸ் மாஸ்டர் அகிலன் கிட்ட சொல்றாரு, மை டியர் அகிலன், நீ கத்துக்கிட்ட அந்த சிங்கிள் ஸ்ட்ரோக் இஸ் த வெரி 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 டிஃபிகல்ட் ஸ்ட்ரோக் இன் ஜூடோ. நீ கத்துக்கிட்டதான் ரொம்ப 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 கஷ்டமான ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரோக்கு. அந்த ஸ்ட்ரோக்கை வெரி ஃபியூ ஒன்லி கேன் மாஸ்டர். சில பேரால மட்டும்தான் அதுல திறமையானவங்களா இருக்க முடியும். அண்ட் அகிலன், யூ மாஸ்டர்ட் தட் ஸ்ட்ரோக். அந்த ஸ்ட்ரோக்ல நீ திறமையானவனா ஆயிட்ட. தட் இஸ் த ஒன்லி ரீசன் நீ காம்படிஷன்ல ஜெயிக்க முடிஞ்சது அப்படின்ற அந்த சீக்ரெட்டை அகிலன் கிட்ட சொல்றாரு. த சீக்ரெட் இஸ் மாஸ்டரிங் த சிங்கிள் ஸ்ட்ரோக் அப்படின்றத அகிலனோட மாஸ்டர் அகிலன் கிட்ட சொல்றாரு. லுக் ஹியர் சில்ட்ரன், அகிலனோட பாடி இதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி மாஸ்டர் ஹேஸ் செலக்டட் அ ஸ்ட்ரோக் and he made Akilan to practice and learn that single stroke alone for 2 years. and அகிலனும் அந்த சிங்கிள் ஸ்ட்ரோக்கை ரொம்ப டெடிகேட்டடோட அவன் வந்து கத்திருந்திருக்கான். அதனாலதான் he was able to win the finals and get success. Children, இதே மாதிரியே நீங்களும் எந்த ஒர்க் பண்ணாலும் work hard and you will definitely get success. Children, அகிலனோட வீக்னஸ் என்னன்னா, he doesn't have his left hand. ஆனா அவன் அந்த வீக்னஸை வந்து he converted into his strength. அந்த லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் இல்லாமையே அவன் வந்து ஜூடோவை வந்து நல்லா ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணான். அவனோட ஆப்பனண்ட் வந்து அவனை பீட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னாலே அவனோட லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டை ஹோல்ட் பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் அகிலனை வந்து டிஃபீட் பண்ண முடியும். அண்ட் மாஸ்டர் அண்ட் அகிலன் ரெண்டு பேருமே அவனுக்காக நுணுக்கமா பார்த்து ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்ட்ரோக் வந்து கத்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. and Akilan very dedicatedly converted his weakness into his strength and got success in the finals. Children, let us recall the lesson again. Akilan is an active boy. He studies well. The next picture is Akilan playing picture. Akilan plays well and his passion is sports. So he used to spend his evening in sports. See the next picture, children. His father is advising something to Akilan. What did his father advise? His father advised Akilan, learn well, live well. So Akilan used to spend his morning in studies. He is obeying his parents' word. That is a very good character of Akilan. His physical education teacher who was good at judo. So Akilan's passion turned towards judo and his passion became judo. See the picture, children. A boy is wearing a judo suit, and from this you can understand that Akilan had a strong passion towards judo. After few months, Akilan met with an accident and in that accident he lost his left hand. And Akilan was very upset after that accident, and later some days Akilan got admitted in a judo school. On his first day in judo school, Akilan felt very excited, and his judo master in that school was the best judo teacher. He taught Akilan from the basics, and then he taught the advanced skills. Akilan practiced a single stroke consistently for 2 years. For 2 years he is practicing only a single stroke, and Akilan was selected for the national level judo competition. He participated in that, and in the first step he easily defeated all his 6 contenders, and Akilan now reached the finals. And in the finals Akilan totally had 6 rounds, and Akilan's opponent was very strong. He easily defeated Akilan in the first 2 rounds. Later, in a short break, Akilan's master is rushing towards him, and he is giving an advice to Akilan. My dear Akilan, believe in yourself. Focus on your strength and not in your weakness. Akilan understood the hint his master gave, and Akilan easily defeated his opponent in the remaining rounds with the 4 strokes and 4 knockouts. And Akilan finally won the match, and he was the national level judo championship of that year. Children, next let us see the glossary. Passion. What is passion? Passion means strong emotion, mentally stimulated. The next thing is to do something creative. அதாவது அகத்தூண்டுதல். Wondered, to think with a feeling of surprise. The next is excel, exceptionally good. The last, ridiculed, teased. Children, the next exercise is choose the correct option. First one, his father wanted him to do well in dash. Options given are cricket, studies, kabaddi. Answer is studies. His father wanted him to do well in studies. The next question is, Akilan's passion is to learn dash. Options are karate, judo, kalari. The answer is judo. Akilan's passion is to learn judo. The third one, children, master trained Akilan on dash. Options are 2-stroke, many stroke, single stroke. The answer is single stroke. Master trained Akilan on a single stroke. The last one, children, Akilan learnt judo for dash. Options are 3 years, 2 years, 1 year. The answer is 2 years. Akilan learned judo for 2 years. Character or speaker. யாரு அந்த வேர்டை சொல்றாங்க, அந்த சென்டென்ஸை சொல்றாங்கன்னு you have to say the character. The first one is believe in yourself. Who said this, children? Yes, the answer is judo master. Second one, learn well, live well. Who said this, children? Yes, the answer is Akilan's father. Third one, how did I win the competition with a single stroke? Who said this, children? Akilan. Yes, the answer is correct. Fourth one, my dear, you learned the most difficult stroke in judo. Who said this, children? It was said by judo master. The answer is judo master. The next exercise is answer the following. First question, who was Akilan's inspiration? Answer is Akilan's inspiration was his physical education teacher. Akilanoட inspiration யாரு? இதான் first question. Who was his inspiration? அவனோட physical education teacher. So the answer should be Akhilan's inspiration was his physical education teacher. Second question, children. How did he lose his hand? Answer is he lost his hand in an accident. Akhilan தன்னுடைய கையை எப்படி இழந்தான் அப்படின்றதான் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின். எப்படி இழந்தான்? எஸ், he met with an accident. How to write then? He lost his hand in an accident. The third question, children. What was his master's advice? Answer is his master advised him to believe in himself. அவனோட மாஸ்டர் அவனுக்கு என்ன அட்வைஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தாரு? அவனோட மாஸ்டர் உன்னை நீயே நம்பு அப்படின்ற மாதிரி தானே அட்வைஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தாரு. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் இட் அஸ் his master advised him to believe in himself. Fourth question, children. Why did everyone ridiculed the boy? Everyone ridiculed the boy because he has to win the national competition with one hand. ஏன் எல்லாரும் அகிலனை டீஸ் பண்ணாங்க? ridiculed means teased. ஏன் எல்லாரும் கேலி செஞ்சாங்க? Why? Because Akhilan has to win the national competition with one hand. How to write that? Everyone ridiculed the boy because he has to win the national competition with one hand. Fifth question, children. How did he win the match? He won the match by mastering the difficult stroke in judo. How did Akhilan win the match? எப்படி அவன் மேட்சை வின் பண்ணா? அகிலன் அந்த difficult strokeல மாஸ்டர் ஆனதுனால தான் he was able to win the match. So how to write that? Akhilan won the match by mastering the difficult stroke in judo. Children, let us go to the next topic. Let us build. Look at the picture, children. Here, a sister and a brother are standing under a tree. The sister is saying, it is a big tree. The brother is saying, no, it is a huge tree. They both are quarreling. At that time, their father is rushing towards them and he is saying, you both are correct. It is a huge tree. It is a big tree. அப்படின்னா ரெண்டுமே பெரியது அப்படின்ற மீனிங்ல தான் வருது. So his father is saying there are some words that gives us the same meaning. So you both are correct அப்படின்னு அவங்க father சொல்றாரு. Children, let us see some of the examples for same meaning words. The first thing which we saw is big, huge. Next example is cut, chop. ரெண்டுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பீசஸா மேக் பண்றது அப்படின்ற மீனிங்ல வருது. And the third one is correct, right. The answer is correct. The answer is right. Cut the vegetable, chop the vegetable. See, children, these words gives the same meaning. Now let us see some more examples for same meaning words. Happy is the word that gives the same meaning as glad. There are still some other words which gives the same meaning as happy. They are joy, fun, excited. By this picture, we can frame a sentence. The doll is happy. The doll is glad. Akhilan was very excited on his first day in judo school. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே மகிழ்ச்சி அப்படின்ற ஒரே மீனிங்ல தான் வருது. The next word is beautiful. Cute, pretty are the words that gives the same meaning as beautiful. The duckling is beautiful. The duckling is pretty. The duckling is cute. எல்லாமே அழகான அப்படின்ற மீனிங்கை தான் நம்மளுக்கு கொடுக்குது. The next word is angry. Angry is the word that gives the same meaning as furious. The angry bird is angry. See the picture, children. You know very well about this cartoon Angry Bird. The angry bird is furious. ரெண்டுமே கோபம் அப்படின்ற மீனிங்கை தான் நம்மளுக்கு கொடுக்குது. The next word is silent. The meaning for silent is quiet. Both the words gives us the same meaning. The class is silent. The class is quiet. ரெண்டுமே அமைதி அப்படின்ற மீனிங்கை தான் நம்மளுக்கு இங்க கொடுக்குது. The next word is begin. Begin na தொடக்கம். So here we have the similar meaning word start. Start gives the same meaning as begin. The next word is team. Team na kulu. So here we have the word that gives a similar meaning is group. The next word is taxi. Taxi na magilundu. The similar meaning word for taxi is cab. The next word is fast. Fast na vegamaha. So the word which gives a similar meaning here is quick. The next word is rock. Rock na kal. The word which gives the same meaning as rock is stone. The next word is small. Small na siriya. The word that gives the similar meaning as small is tiny. Ant is a tiny insect. Read the sentences and write the word with same meanings for the underlined words. The options given are small, sick, large, glad, stone, leap. Sentence படிச்சு அதுக்குண்டான கரெக்டான சேம் மீனிங் வேர்டை நம்ம அந்த டேஷ்ல எழுதணும். The first option is small. Small na சிறிய. Sick. Sick na உடல்நிலை சரியில்லை. Large. Large na பெரிய. Glad. Glad na happy. Stone. கல். Leap. தாவுதல். The first question is I ate the big apple. See the underlined word, children. The underlined word is big. So the same meaning word is large. So we have to write as I ate the large apple. The second question is this is a little dog. Little na siriya. So the correct word for little is small. So we have to write as this is a small dog. The third question is I threw a rock in the lake. Rock means stone. So we have to write as I threw a stone in the lake. The fourth question is I am so happy. The underlined word is happy. So the word which gives the meaning as happy is glad. So we have to write as I am so glad. Children, let us go into an activity. Frame sentences with similar meanings. Here, the teacher is dash is given. The students are dash is given. The picture given are happy, angry, silent. First, I will say the sentence. The teacher is happy. And the next, you have to say the sentence as the students are glad. Understood, children? First, na solluven. Adutha neenga you have to interact. The teacher is happy. The students are glad. Let us see to the second one, children. The teacher is angry. Now, your chance, children. Yes, your answer is correct. The students are furious. The third one, the teacher is silent. Your chance, children. Yes, your answers are correct. The students are quiet. Till now, we saw the words that gave us the similar meaning. And now, we are going to see the words that gives us a different meaning. Look at the picture, children. See the picture 1 and picture 2 and find out the difference in these two pictures. See, in both the picture, tree is there. See the first picture, in that the tree is tall. The second picture, the tree is short. The sun is happy. The second picture, the sun is sad. First picture, the pond is full of water. In the second picture, the pond is empty. And in the first picture, the stone is big. Second picture, the stone is small. Few ducks are found in the first picture. None of the ducks are found in the second picture. Above pictures are the opposites. Happy is the opposite of sad. Full is the opposite of empty. Large is the opposite of small. Few is the opposite of none. Fill in the blanks with correct opposites. Is he sad? No, he is happy. Is it his right hand? No, it is his left hand. Is the elephant tiny? No, it is big. Is it a daytime? No, it is night. Fill in the blanks with the correct opposites. Options are bright, huge, full, bottom. The first one is this bottle empty? See the picture, children? It is full. So, how will you write? Yes. No, it is full. The second one, is this a small tree? Look at the picture. Is the tree small? No. So, you have to write as no, it is a huge tree. Is he standing on top? Is the boy standing on the top, children? No, he is at the bottom. So, you have to write as no, he is at the bottom. Is this a dark room? See the room? Is it dark? So, you have to write as no, it is bright. Children, find the answers and check them by yourself from the following activity. Children, this is your homework. Write the similar meaning words for happy, surprise. The second one is draw the stick figures for opposites. And the third one is look at the picture and collect some articles about the picture. Thank you, children.